welcome to the show. Okay, tonight before we begin, I have to give you some good news and some bad news. I'm gonna do the bad news first. Okay, the bad news is that we had some budget cuts. So we had to let go of 2 of our cast members. And we didn't know who to fire, so we asked the writers who's the most irritating. And it became very clear right then that the 2 people that are now gone is Will Sasso and Aries Spears. I know. But here's the good news. We have hired them back in some other capacity at about 1/8 of their original salary. And they've been brought in to sort of hip up the show a little, make it a little more fly, if you will. So please put your hands together for our new in-house DJs, DJ Kid Sasso and Fresh Aries. Woo!
Yeah, keep it going for my girl, Nicole S. Nikki S. Hey, show us some love, y'all. Show us some love, baby. Yeah, we got it all like, bam, all up in your teeth.
No doubt,
Sit like this.
Oh,
Bam, yeah, like blah, blah.
millennium, baby.
Yeah, what's happening?
No doubt.
I didn't say stop screaming. What's up? What's up?
Okay, great, guys. Thank you, guys. That was something else, huh? Okay, everyone, sit back, relax. We got a great show for you tonight. We got a couple sketches coming.
Oh,
yeah. Don't stop.
Like, bam.
Nah,
Okay,
baby.
excellent, guys. Will,
Blam.
Will,
Blam.
right here. I need you to stop because
All right.
A, that's really irritating. Okay, and B, it's really bad.
All up in ya.
Aries, I meant you too. Both of you just stop. For the love of God.
No doubt.
Stop. Okay.
All right. Well, okay.
We've got a great show for you tonight, so everyone just sit back, relax, and enjoy this.
Oh, yeah! DJ Kid!
Go down. Millennium, baby.